Alright, this is day number 3. We got up, had some coffee. It's kind of been a rainy morning, had some rain over the night, but everybody stayed dry, so that's good. And I'm also riding Michael's Africa Twin, which is also good. So yeah, welcome back to day number 3. This is 1 liter ADV. My name's Yev, and we're about to have some really good breakfast here. Oh, I thought there was an animal in the back of his head. I think it's just a dreadlock. I guess dreadlocks are kind of an animal of its own. It's like a creature living on your head.
Oh boy, look at you. No.
Yeah, your duck flew away.
Aww. Last year I had a duck over there. It didn't make it. It migrated probably. Oh yeah. That's one good use of a flattened beer can.
You guys got a bunch of motors. I'm taking orders right now. There's a bunch of motorcycle gear. Just take a table and dump it.
Any idea what you're getting?
I'm going to get pancakes and it's it.
Pancakes?
Pancakes and coffee.
October?
Yeah, we were here in October. Familiar face.
Familiar face.
Maybe you're a celebrity.
I've been accused of that before.
What are you getting?
I think I'm going to do the omelet.
By the way, they make some of the best pies here at the Ozark General Store.
Did you get a pie this morning?
I don't know why I did it.
You did?
I don't know what I was thinking. I got a pancake instead.
Did you? A pancake?
Just a pancake.
Did you get one? Pancake?
No pies this morning, but we would be back for some later. We decided that we would all head south to the actual town of Ozark and grab the necessary items for tonight's dinner. We took Highway 103 out of Ozark, and then from 103 we connected to the county road 4160, which is paved and also kind of twisty, but it's not quite as fun as Highway 103.
Gotcha.
Just a quick note, Walmart isn't the only place in Ozark that sells food. They actually have a dedicated grocery store. We just weren't aware of the fact until afterwards. From Ozark, we took Highway 23 all the way back north into the forest. And if you haven't noticed already, Highway 23 is one of the most popular twisty roads in the Ozark National Forest. You're guaranteed to see tons of motorcycles and, cool cars. Just be careful, watch for people driving incoming traffic cutting into your lane, especially on those blind corners.
I'm having to adjust my shift lever. It's a little bit too tall, so I need to realign it at a slightly different angle on the shaft that comes out of the transmission. We'll see how that is. The only downside to this relocation extender from Adventure Tech is your shift lever is now reversed and it's exposed to the dirt. I have a ton of dirt in here, which means that it's exposed to a lot of elements when you're off-roading, so just something to look out for, be a little more careful about.
So James, myself, and Yev, we are going to go hit some hard twisties. It is Saturday, day 3, and we found this road we want to go explore. It's got some steep decline twisties, and then we're going to turn around and ride those same twisties up, and then from off that road we're going to hit some back roads, off-roads, and we don't know exactly where those off-roads go, but we're going to see if we can get into some trouble. And it is about 12:30 on a Saturday. It's our last full day, so right now we're leaving Wolfpin campground and we're going to be heading east towards Arkansas.
Remember I had mentioned Highway 103 earlier? Well, we came back and decided to check out the twisties once again.
Oh man, that looks like a destroyed barn. On your right, on your right. Sorry. Oh shoot. Appreciate it. Whew. Yeah, I'm good. Just gotta get out of that.
Yeah, this first off-road section ended up being a dead end.
There's more places we can check out. More random roads. So we just hit record and let's go. This looks cool. Oh man. Oh, I thought I saw the creek and I was like, where is this road gonna go? Oh, sweet.
We were definitely coming back to this place later that day. Looking back at my river app, we had basically gotten onto County Road 4290, off from the twisty Highway 103, and there are many offshoots from this road. Some of them are dead ends, some of them are not.
Nice! James jumped off that little rock.
Nice. I knew one of you would do something like that.
I didn't. I was gonna do it, but I thought maybe he'd do it so I get him recorded and make sure I didn't miss it.
Nice.
This is the only kind of road I'd want to go down on a side by side because it's like a racetrack.
Kind of a blind turn here.
There you go. Slow down. Easy, cowboy.
My ABS is like, nope, you're not stopping today. Keep going. All right. Oh, this is where the kids come to do donuts, I think.
I saw a road maybe back here.
It's closed, whatever that is. So there's like a lot of water in here too.
Maybe I'm running rich. It's better than lean though. Right. Look at Joe. James is getting his frustration out of working. I'm a believer in the Super Tenere though.
Oh yeah. Okay, on your left.
Oh.
Well, I guess we gotta go back. Ah! I turned around away.
As you can see, Michael was tired from all of his shenanigans, so we took a break. Looking back, this would actually have been a really nice place to stop and do some remote camping.
Ooh. I hit my rim really hard though. I just couldn't get my I couldn't get the front end up enough. Oh shoot, I have a problem.
What?
I have a problem.
Okay.
I lost brakes.
What? You don't have front brake and rear? You're not leaking? You got something stuck in there?
Oh, I see what happened.
Is it all good?
I hope you have your 8mm with you.
Have what?
Your 8mm socket?
Yeah.
Here. You have enough room to get out? What happened was the two bolts that hold up the whole lever became loose and my lever slid back. So I just gotta tighten them up. Thanks. Should just be an 8. Dramatic ending. Rider loses his brakes. Man, they got really rattled loose there. I guess this is what Loctite's for. Please maybe blue Loctite or something. That one's good. Yeah, I'm good. My front brake, it like got loosened, so I was pressing it, there was nothing. But I had rear brakes, so I was like, okay, I have fluid somewhere. No, so I think we're okay.
Ooh, you alright?
Yeah, I'm good. I just lost confidence.
I saw you start to pucker a little bit.
Yeah. Yes. Oh, James did.
He went down?
No, he's up.
Did he go down?
No, he just was on the ditch, but he was up.
Oh my.
That was a... What happened there?
Oh, I'm about to shit myself.
We've been talking, saying slow down on the turns because it's loose gravel.
Yeah.
Were you off on the road?
Yeah, I was into the berm.
Did you have any fear going down, or did you think you were going to go down?
I thought I was going to, but I held it.
All right, let's calm down a little. Oh, I'm so glad you didn't go down, man. That would have hurt.
In case you're wondering, Michael and I had a comm system connected, but not with James. On the way back down, we stopped for some peace and tranquility. I was having way too much fun on this water crossing, so one time was just not gonna cut it. We finally returned back to the campsite and did the best possible thing you could do after a hot and sweaty ride. For dinner, I was on potato duty once again, and I made my signature potatoes.
What you got there?
This was flown in special from Hawaii for us.
Oh yeah? Nice.
I've never really cut a pineapple for a gathering, so I'm probably hacking the crap out of this, but
I'm glad you're using your plate, your motorcycle plate.
Yeah.
That's a good table. You don't have to bend down.
Nope, it's perfect height for 6'2".
Yeah. Well, it's not bad.
Yeah, it's like my butching block.
Who would have thought? What do we got here?
Onion, vegetable,
Zucchini, pepper,
zucchini,
onion.
pepper. And of of course, beef. Beef.
Oh yeah.
After all that riding and adventure, we definitely enjoyed an awesome, relaxing dinner around that campfire that night. This was day number 4, which meant it was time to pack up camp, load up the bikes, and start making our way back home.
How's it going, Michael?
Very good. Final morning, packing up. Back to battleship stage.
To save some time and cleaning effort, we decided not to make breakfast and instead head back to the Ozark General Store. We just couldn't leave without trying some of those pies.
Dessert.
What do you think?
That's good.
It's good?
I warm up a little bit.
Yeah. She warmed mine up too. I'm about to try it.
All right, we're leaving the Ozark General Store. Belly's full. Kickstand's up. Heading to Kansas City. You got some pie stashed on your bike somewhere, I think.
Somewhere there is. There are 2 pieces of pie somewhere in there.
I'm guessing in a.
You get it to Kansas City in 1 piece.
All right.
Highway 23 out of the forest is always a blast, and we try to enjoy it as much as possible on our way out. We also stopped at the scenic viewpoint where you can get a breathtaking view of the National Forest. If you remember, back in the first episode, I had mentioned that the closer you get to the Ozark National Forest, the more interesting the roads get. Well, that's the downside of leaving Arkansas and heading back to Kansas City, because sadly things just kind of flatten out and the roads become less curvy. But there was a silver lining. I got to switch bikes with Valak and got to ride his Goldwing. This bike has 3 times the amount of cylinders and almost twice the displacement of my V-Strom. Not gonna lie, I started looking at the classifieds after I got back home. I can totally see how riders can ride non-stop on these Goldwings. But eventually, I had to return the Goldwing to its rightful owner. So this was it. This was our 2022 spring Arkansas trip. As we say our goodbyes, we want to thank you guys for watching our Arkansas trip series and hope to catch you on the next ride.